Hi, we start the lesson adding and integers. I am Miss Ortega. Hola, soy la señora Ortega y vamos a comenzar la lección de sumando enteros. Let's see the introduction. Vamos a ver la introducción. We have the first problem. Tenemos el primer problema. Amelia and Christian are playing with some cards that tell them to move forward or backwards over a board filled with planets and stars. On her first turn, Amelia moved 3 spaces backwards, -3, and then 2 more backwards, -2. Where is Amelia located regarding the 0, which is the starting point? Amelia y Christian están jugando con algunas cartas que les indican mover hacia el frente o hacia atrás sobre un tablero lleno de planetas y estrellas. En su primer turno, Amelia se movió 3 espacios hacia atrás, -3, y luego 2 espacios hacia atrás. Nuevamente, -2. ¿Dónde Amelia está localizada si comenzamos a retroceder desde el punto 0? To find the position where Amelia is located on the board at -3 and -2. Para encontrar la posición de Amelia, tenemos que sumar -3 más -2. El resultado es -5. Amelia is located in -5 on the board. Where is Christian located if he moved 4 spaces forward? +4, and then 7 spaces backwards, -7. Now it's positive and negative. Have different sign. To find Christian's location on the board, you need to add 4 plus -7. Christian is located at -3. Oh, vamos a observar. ¿Qué hubo aquí? ¿Una suma o una resta? ¿Qué provocó que en vez de sumarse, se restaran? Adding integers. In this lesson, you will learn to play a game that will help you understand how to add integers. Imagine that you have some red and white tokens. En esta lección vamos a aprender qué fue lo que sucedió que nosotros restamos en vez de sumar el pasado ejercicio. Vamos a imaginar que tenemos aquí unas monedas rojas y blancas. One of the rules of the game is that when you have white token and a red token, they will cancel and eliminate each other. En este juego que vamos a estar representando, vamos a observar que cuando se aparezca una moneda roja y una moneda blanca, las cancelaremos, se eliminarán una a la otra. Let's see another example. We have 3 red tokens plus 2 red tokens equal 5 tokens. What color are the tokens? The tokens are red. Which operation was used? An addition, because all of them are the same color. The same color we add. We make an addition. Let's see another example. Now I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 tokens red tokens, and 4 tokens white, equal 4 tokens. Eliminate 1, eliminate 2, eliminate 3, eliminate 4. Are the tokens the same color? No. Were the tokens added? No. Given that the tokens are different color, we subtract. Como eran de diferentes colores, los eliminamos entre sí porque esta era la regla. Okay? Now, 8 plus negative 4 is 4. Read once again. We have now 3 red tokens plus 5 white tokens. Eliminate 1, 2, and 3. What color are the tokens? Red and white. Which operation was used? As subtraction. 1 and 2 equal to. Notice that the tokens of the answer are the same colors as the group that had the most amount of tokens. Now that you played the game, let's see the rules for adding integers. Think that the red tokens are the positive numbers and the white tokens are the negative numbers. Positive, negative, negative, and positive. We have 3 positive plus 5 negative. 3 plus negative 5 equal negative 2, because this has more. Okay, you put the negative. Rules for adding integers. Please write this in your notebook, okay? This is very important. You need to memorize this. Por favor, copia esto en tu libreta. Es importante porque te las tienes que memorizar. Rule number 1. If you have positive plus positive, you need to add and the result is positive. Rule number 2. If one negative plus another negative, you make an addition too, but the result is negative. Rule number 3. If the terms are different, positive plus negative or negative plus positive, in this case, the numbers are subtracted. And the result, we have the sign of the greatest digit, the absolute greatest digit. For example, if I have 12 plus negative, make a subtraction is 5. But it has the sign of the 12 because it's the greatest absolute. And then if I have negative 9 plus 1, we make a subtraction, but the result is negative because 9 is the greatest absolute value. ¿Ok? Tenemos aquí 12 más negativo 7. Restamos y es 5. Y obtiene el valor del valor absoluto mayor, que es 12. Aquí tenemos negativo 9 más 1. Se resta, es 8. Y colocamos el signo del valor absoluto mayor, que es negativo 9. It's very important. Memorize this. Copy this in your notebook, please. Practice exercises. Vamos a la práctica. Vamos a encontrar el resultado. Si tenemos 2 negativos, vamos a sumar y el resultado será negativo. If we have the same sign, you make an addition and stay with the negative sign. We have another example, part B, -7 plus 2. Different. We make a subtraction and in the result we write the negative. Different, let's see, different sign. Negative, positive, we make a subtraction. We need to subtract this 5 and then put the sign of the 9 because it's the graded absolute value. Now, -3 plus 7, negative and positive. We make another subtraction, it's 4, and take the sign of positive because 7 is the greatest absolute value. It's easy. Ok, ahora vamos a ir a EasyNet y responde las hojas de los ejercicios que tenemos preparado para ti. Bye bye.